The world of artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, and one of the most exciting areas of advancement is in the field of generative AI. This technology has the potential to revolutionize various industries, from entertainment to healthcare. In this roadmap, we will take a glimpse into the future of generative AI in the year 2023. At the core of generative AI lies the ability to create new content, such as images, sounds, and even text, that are indistinguishable from those produced by humans. This technology harnesses the power of deep learning algorithms and neural networks to generate highly realistic and convincing content. In the realm of entertainment, generative AI is making waves. Imagine a movie industry where computer-generated actors are seamlessly integrated into scenes, or where virtual reality experiences are created by AI systems that can generate realistic and immersive worlds. In 2023, we can expect to see more movies, video games, and virtual reality experiences that blur the line between fiction and reality. With generative AI, the possibilities for storytelling are limitless. The impact of generative AI extends beyond entertainment. In the field of healthcare, for example, AI-generated models can help doctors make more accurate diagnoses and treatment decisions. By analyzing vast amounts of medical data, these models can predict the likelihood of certain diseases and suggest personalized treatment plans for patients. In 2023, we can anticipate major advancements in medical AI, leading to improved patient outcomes and more efficient healthcare systems. Generative AI is also poised to revolutionize the creative industry. Artists, designers, and musicians can leverage this technology to augment their creative processes. Imagine a graphic designer who uses AI-generated concepts as a starting point for their work, or a composer who collaborates with an AI system to create unique melodies and harmonies. In 2023, generative AI tools will become increasingly accessible and user-friendly, allowing creatives to explore new realms of artistic expression. One of the challenges that generative AI technology faces is the ethical implications it raises. As AI systems become more proficient at creating content, it becomes difficult to discern between what is real and what is artificially generated. This raises questions of authenticity, plagiarism, and copyright. In 2023, there will be ongoing debates and discussions about the ethical use of generative AI, as society grapples with issues surrounding intellectual property and artistic originality. The roadmap to 2023 also includes advancements in the field of natural language processing. AI systems that can understand and generate human language with fluency and nuance will become more prevalent. This has tremendous implications for various industries, such as customer service, translation, and content creation. In 2023, we can expect to see chatbots and virtual assistants that are more intelligent and conversational, making interactions with technology feel more natural and seamless. As generative AI technology continues to evolve, it is crucial to address the potential risks and biases that can arise. AI systems learn from the data they are trained on, and if this data contains biases, the generated content can also reflect those biases. In 2023, researchers and developers will work towards creating more diverse and representative datasets to ensure that AI models do not perpetuate unfair biases. Looking further into the future, the roadmap for generative AI includes even more exciting possibilities. AI-generated content could be used to develop personalized education, where students have access to individualized learning materials tailored to their specific needs and learning styles. AI-generated content could also enhance virtual reality experiences, taking immersion to new heights. In conclusion, the roadmap to 2023 in the world of generative AI is filled with innovation and potential. From the entertainment industry to healthcare, from the creative arts to natural language processing, this technology is set to transform various sectors. As we move forward, it is important to address the ethical implications and biases associated with generative AI. Nonetheless, the future is bright, and in just a few short years, we will witness a new era where generative AI has become an integral part of our everyday lives.